Greetings. In this video, the first of a few, we're going to see how to analyze the fake news versus the real news headlines. We are going to open Doccuscope in this video, run the fake news and real news headlines through Doccuscope, tag the headlines for frequency data, and then export the frequencies into Excel files. So here we go. We've opened Doccuscope. We see the little banner. We go under File. We open MTV. Now we need to look under the file for MTV, open folder, and we have to look for our fake news articles, which happens to be right here. You'll see the fake news, 450 articles, Reuters 450 stories or headlines, really. And then we're going to hit the new text document. This is a dummy file that we need to click to tell the Java what else to open. We're then going to hit open. And if you open the Java window, you can actually see the files running down. This is really Doccuscope just tagging all these files instantaneously. And so we have to wait. Once we know we're done, we're going to see bar charts and box plots filled in the middle of this so that you can actually see the distribution of these variables. Many of these details are not that important, but so you'll see the distributions. This would be like low confidence. You can click on that and you can see all the texts, both Reuters and fake news lined up on those texts. That's really of not the greatest interest to us now. What we want to do is go under File and we want to extract the frequencies. So we're going to say fake, let's say, versus real, CSV for a comma separated Excel file, and we hit save. And then if we go to that file, we're going to see that it's already made a frequency file for LATs, and it's going to make one for clusters and dimensions. So let's wait and watch it just happen. Like popcorn, these CSV files are going to be created in front of your eyes. So here's the LAT file. That contains over 20,000 semantic categories of English. So you can see it's quite big. And once it finishes, the smaller files will generate. It's up to 60,000, 63,000 kilobytes. And you see now it's created dimension, and that will go pretty quickly. And then everything comes pretty quickly after that, clusters, dimensions. And we're finished with this video. The next video will pick up from here. Take care. See you in the next video.